good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 8. The woman will never give up. Then Jesus telling special follower them that Toria to show them say them fi always pray and no give up. In a one town, you did have one judge when afraid of God and we don't respect nobody. And in that same town there, you did have one woman where husband did dead. She ever come to him and I beg him say, "Me want justice. Protect me from my enemy them." Too. For a long time, he might tell her no. But after a while, the judge said to himself, say, "Me no afraid of God, and me no respect nobody. But sake of other woman here keep on a bother me. Me go make sure say she get justice, so she will tap con tired me out." The Lord tell them say, "Uno hear what the wicked judge say? So, uno not think say God go give the people them when pick justice. The one them will bawl to him day and night. Uno think say him will keep on and put them off? God will make sure say them get justice quick. But when the man with God pick come back to earth, him a go find people who believe in him." A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God